Good morning students. Today we will see the environmental conservation. When some natural factor of environment and some artificial polluted harm environment, it creates the imbalance between the various factors of environment and ultimately affects of the existence of the biotic factors. Now see the factors affecting the environment. There are two factors, natural factors and man-made factor or the artificial factor. See the example of natural factors: earthquake, tsunami, volcanic eruptions, forest fires. Next is artificial factors examples: deforestations, global warming, pollution, ozone depletion. Now see the environmental pollution, which is main issue current situation. At present, the many environment problems have been arising due to effect of the various natural and artificial factors on the earth. Environmental pollution, one of those main factor. Generally, contamination of any material is its pollution. Unnecessary and unacceptable in the change in the surrounding environment due to natural events or human activity is called as environmental pollution. See the clips in our daily routine of vehicle pollution. 90% of car users are traveling single. We can reduce the such emissions of vehicle by using public transport or by using sharing car, which can contribute in making the car cleaner. Keep your vehicle well tuned and tires inflated properly to reduce exhaust emissions. Industrial air pollution is major source of total environment air pollution. We have reduced air pollution by conserving energy, by tuning off light, computers, air conditioner and other appliances when not in use. Encourage activity like planting trees once a year among employees. You can also plant a tree on your every birthday and conserve it. Deforestation. Deforestation means to avoid the deforestation. Plant a tree, use less paper, recycle paper and cardboard, use recycled products, buy only sustainable wood products, don't buy products containing palm oil, reduce meat consumptions. We can reproduce unplanned area by improving job opportunities in rural as well as the urban areas. Planning rural development along with urban development. Slum upgrading. Organize urbanization, planning and modifying urban areas to accommodate newcomers. Air pollution. The components of air pollution in gases are carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, hydrocarbon, sulfur, nitrogen oxide, hydrogen sulfide, etc. Compounds of air pollution of gas solid, dust, ash, carbon, lead, asbestos, etc. Source of air pollutions are cars, buses, planes, trains, trucks, power plants, oil refineries, industry, etc. Effect of air pollution are heart diseases. You know that about the 6,40,000 Americans die from the heart disease each year. That is one in every 4 days. In India, there is no exact figure available. Next is the lungs cancer, respiratory disease, nerves, brain, kidneys, liver, birth defects. Control measure of air pollution are avoid the unnecessary use of cars traveling, avoid wood stove, avoid burning leaves and the trash other materials, avoid using the gas powered lawn, and equipments. Water pollution. Components of water pollution are oil and derivatives, carbonic compound, thermal pollution, pH, heavy metals, algae and bacteria. Sources of water pollution are industrial waste, domestic waste, sewage, chemical discharge from industries, pesticides used in agriculture. Effects of water pollution are typhoid, cholera, hepatitis, other diseases, small changes in environment. Control of major are water pollution, avoid garbage disposal, use the minimum amount of the detergent, minimize use of pesticides. A survey says 36% of world cities will face the water crisis in 2050. Soil pollution. Component of soil pollution are metal and their compound, organic chemical, oil, pesticide. Source of soil pollution are disposal of the sewage, liquid waste resulting for domestic uses of water, industrial water, agriculture pollution. Effects of soil pollution are soil erosion, retarded growth of plants or crops, nutritional deficiency, etc. Soil pollution can also cause neuromuscular blockage as well as the depression of the central nervous system, headache, nausea, fatigue, eye irritation and skin rash. Next, control measure of soil pollution are reducing chemical fertilizer and pesticides use, reusing materials, recycling and recovery of material, reforesting. Now see the need of the environmental conservation. General public is not aware about the rules of environmental conservation. There should be large participation of the people in environment conservation. For this purpose, values like the positive attitude and affection towards the environment, knowledge about it should be included among the children since their childhood. There will be help to make the future generation more aware about environment protection and the conservation. It is necessary to increase the awareness through education. Today, all developing and underdeveloped countries have accepted the responsibility of the environmental protection. They have defined future plans about environmental protection and constituted the necessary laws. Now, next point is a peek into history. Environmental issue is considered on the international level since long period. In 1972, United Nations Environment Program means UNEP has been established in a conference arranged on human and environment in which environmental problems were discussed. Afterwards, in India, a separate environmental department had established after through the discussion of the environmental problems. Minister of the Environment and the Forest is involved in planning, in conducting and the increasing awareness and about the environment and forest through the various programs since 1985. We are observing the environmental degradation everywhere. So everyone must follow the flowchart on board. Need environmental conservations. Now first, to maintain the clean, pollution-free air, water, land. To conserve the natural resources. To maintain balance in nature. To solve the nature So to solve the natural and artificial problems, to protect and conserve biodiversity, to give quality of and sustainable future to the next generation. It is a very important factor of the next generation.